Yeah, the short interest on DRCT is like 3%, very low. Doesn't matter. It still can move. Supply and demand purely. Might not be a short squeeze, but it's a demand squeeze, okay? So it still can move because it's now traded. That is weird because it was saying 4.2 million shares a minute ago. Well, it says 4 million shares and there's 7 million shares float. So it can move. It's already traded more than half of its float with, a sliver of that short. People trapped short. Okay, we are on, I believe. Yeah, we're broadcasting. Okay, good. So, good morning, everybody. The market has moved up positively after all, after negatively reacting to this morning's PPI data, which is the Producer Price Index. Shit, I can't say too much because we have 1 minute until the market opens. Anyway, the market looks positive. Boom, there you go. All right, we have 50 seconds until the market opens, and looks like we're going to gap open up. This is worrisome to me because unless we stay positive today and green and grind up all day, if we pull back on a gap up, that could be a real strong signal of a top. So I'm a little bit concerned about the fact that we're gapping so strong up. This could be the end of the rally. So today, proceed with caution with your positions and be taking profits if the market starts to go sour. I would, in particular, watch yesterday's high, the break or return back to yesterday's high. There we go. Best intro ever. Yeah, the market's fucking hot. Boom. There you go. Figure it out, motherfuckers. Oh shit, I got so many alerts this morning. This market has just gone into great territory. Fang, no. All right. What do we got going on in CYCC? TTOO is pulling back at the open. DRCT, you guys, that's the one that has the most potential. DRCT. Keep an eye on it for it to break pre-market high of 3.9. There's good risk reward to get in here. VCSA starting to move up. VCSA looking good. Breaking 415 right now. It's traded 3 million shares so far. I do not know the float on that one. Asana's got an entry signal. Asana. I got to wait a minute on that. Wow, we're getting so many entry alerts. There's that Bitcoin alert. BITO if you want it. But Bitcoin's kind of pulling back right now, so it's got that going for it. Peloton alert as well. Man, there's so many companies. I just wish I could throw money into all these, but I'm already fully allocated. So I got to just get rid of anything that's not working out this morning. My God, we've got so many alerts. It's amazing. Cell H, VIR, Peloton, Hood, Ford, Asana, CLR, TMDX, COP. I got to go through all of these, but I need to give the market just a few minutes here. Let's see what happens. We're a minute and 50 seconds in. MTTR, which had a very nice shape pre-market, did break the pre-market high of 640 and is now trading at 655. Back to 645 now. CYCC not moving too much. TTOO starting to move up. DRCT crapped out. DRCT, the demand is gone. But keep an eye on it because that sucker can just go flipping at any moment. It's already traded the entire float, 7.37 million shares traded already. So that means it's changed hands and playing patty cake on a big drop like that. It basically refreshes everyone's position because now you have everybody newly at these levels, right? And so just a little bit up, they're going to hold, they're not going to be selling yet. Apparently HKD is moving, says Camille. But that's quite the, yeah, no. Dead cat bounce. That is dead, dead, dead. All right, TTD, we're already in it from yesterday, looking good. LW. Man, so many alerts. What a morning, what a day, what an open. When you have that many signals, that's pretty outstanding. And now we have 42% of the entire stock market above the 200 moving average. That's insane. I mean, it was just like a week and a half ago, we were less than 30%. And now we're at like 42% and growing. Is some good stuff on the market. The market, however, is pulling back after the open now. My fears starting to become realized. This is why I really wanted to wait the first full 5 minutes of the market to see what's going on. Okay, LW does not have good fundamentals. All right, I got to dump it in NVTA, which is still at a profit, but almost at my break even from yesterday as a penny stock holdover. It did just break down. NVTA, if you're holding that trade's over. Keep an eye on DRCT. TTOO starting to move around a little bit, hitting nearly pre-market highs. They're going to try to break 25 cents. And remember, wow, it's already traded 74 million shares, TTOO. And I think we said it had 165 million float, so it's already done half the float. Well, no, we shall see. This TTOO could do it. There's a lot of demand, and MTTR is going up just based on merit. What did I just sell? Oh, there it is. Okay. Wow, Netflix has jumped. How much is that? $6 at the open. Netflix jumped $6 at the open. Who got in with me on that trade the other day? Is that right? I gotta double check. That is right. Wow, we are now up $13 a share on Netflix. All right, Randy. Me. All right, Dondrell. Yeah. I'm lucky that I got in rather big and confident on Netflix, but I did leave lots of room for other positions. But I did get a good sizable position on that, and we're approaching a 4% gains, I guess it is, at the moment. All right, I got to check out all these trades. We're now 6 minutes into the market, and the market is pulling back. Not the best day to get into things, but anything that's working is working. I mean, you can't mess around with that. Apple hit 170.50 at one point. It's at 169 now. All right, see, this is why if we could just wait maybe 10 minutes, we can be a little bit more sure on all these alerts. So many alerts. Looks like Dillard's had a positive reaction to earnings. However, it is pulling back from the open. So I'm going to put an alert for if it breaks the high. Oh, there it is. It just broke the high. DDS, Dillard's, that's an entry. 285, $5 a risk on Dillard's. DDS. I don't even know where I'm going to buy that, but good luck to you guys. Swing 100 Dillard's TDS, $5 a risk if you get in fast. VIP. That is also an ER. Woohoo! It's already at $10 a risk because it's moving fast. Dillard's DDS. If you can get in, it's no longer $5 a risk. It's $10 a risk to get in. So now you can only buy half as many shares just because you waited 2 minutes to get in. That trade flying. I just need to get a screenshot of it. And that alert goes out. DDS Dillard's looking great. I have no. This is the conundrum moment. I have nothing I want to cut. Okay, we're back to $5 a risk entry on Dillard's. Veru, somebody says. Veru is moving. Continue to keep an eye on DRCT. TTOO, boom, there it goes. TTOO, the 25-cent breakout. It's now at 30 cents. That may not seem like much, but that is a 20% move already. Isn't that interesting? That's like nearly what we predicted. It's put in 100 million shares so far this morning. And 100 million shares this morning, and has 165 million share float. So it's already traded 66% of its float. And 66% of its float. And it was at closed at 0.16 yesterday. And that puts it at 27 cents right now. Isn't that interesting? 67% of the float could provide a 67% on balance gain, which would be 27 cents right now. And look where it's at, 28, 29 cents from yesterday. Top is halted, apparently, says Rebecca. Is there a lot of volume? Oh man, I really want to get into that DDS trade with you guys. Love that particular stock, DDS. The market is coming back up, and if it can come over and make a new high on the day, that's going to be a real strong sign. I can't sell anything. I got nothing to sell. Everything's looking good. What do we got here? This is really moving. Bark day 2 ER continuation now. Get in before it's too late. Day 2 ER continuation. Bark, BARK, for 15 cents of risk. That alert is going out now. Boom. Thinking about cutting Amazon? What happened? Oh yeah, quite the pullback. Yeah, you can go for it, Dondrell. You can always get back in if it goes in and breaks a new high on the day. MTTR is at almost $7 now. MTTR. TTOO is at 28 cents, hanging out around there. MTTR went from 6.3 break of pre-market high to now 6.7. There we go, $7 on MTTR. Yeah, definitely weakest of them all. Oh, you're trying to figure out where you can cut from to get into DDR? Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me go check that out. You know, always cut from your weakest if you want to get into the new positions. Yep. Yeah, that would do it. I have to say, I liked that I had Amazon this morning because it was doing a hell of a lot better than Apple. But yeah, I'll get the fuck out of there and let's get some DDS. And that's only if it's still in play, though. Let's check the chart. Yeah, looking good. Oh, that's right at the doji point. Semi-iffy, but yeah, I'm going to go for it with $5 of risk where the entry is right now. Sell my kids. Now I just got that. Very funny. God, I just cannot get allocation. Come on. I just don't have enough free cash because I'm already allocated. Ah, man. I don't want a worthless number of shares. And now it's down on entry. So now I am not going to get in. And in fact, 285 was the stop out point on that at $5 of risk, depending on how you got in. So already DDS folding over. Not a trade that's following through by the time I was able to get in. Bark, however, let's go back to that. Bark looking good, but let me go through all of these. Beyond Meat. No, that would normally be a pocket pivot, but it doesn't have the volume. Looking kind of good though. Just doesn't have the volume. Yeah, but it is moving. I'll give it a try. $4 a risk on Beyond. Can I buy that? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, good. Swing 100. Beyond. What was it? $4 a risk, I think. I can just look again. Yeah. We are 16 minutes into the market open. Okay, Beyond. I mean, it takes this long to look at this shit. Bark. Dillard's. Where is it now? Let's see. Hanging out $1 above stop. LW not continuing. Sell H doing good. We already entered that yesterday. If you didn't, Sell H is a good trade. VIR. No. BNGO. Mining stocks are moving pretty good. Yeah, I imagine so. MTTR is now at 714. Slow, smoothly moving up all day so far. Turn on low volume. No. Peloton on average volume. Breaking out of bottom pivot. Peloton. It's an entry. You need to put your stop at 1085. So it's $2 a risk on Peloton. Not too bad. $2 a risk on Peloton. Swing trade. Bottom reversal. Yeah, MTTR. Yeah. And now over to Robinhood. Let's see what's up there. Robinhood's pulling back after the open, and it's on below average volume. Not good. Ford, buy time or wait? No, buy time on Peloton. Peloton, buy. That's where I am with it. TOP is still halted up. TOP moving. BNGO you were talking about. I'm getting some new alerts here. Duolingo. Ford is not an entry. Duolingo, it's just barely an entry. I like it. It's got decent volume. But maybe I need to see it get over to 106. So let me set that alert up. Okay. If Duolingo breaks 106, then you can get in for... it's too much risk. It's like $10 a risk. It's not a good point. It's going to pull back. Never mind on Duolingo. Melly. Ooh, Melly with some strong volume today. However, pulled back after the open. So it's not quite an entry. Forget Ford. Asana. QQQ coming for that high of day again. Okay, yeah, and it did. And so did SPY. And the only one we're really waiting for now is the industrials, the Dow, DIA. Yeah, Veru opened around 1366, I believe, or somewhere around there. And broke pre-market high at 1462. It's now 1745. DRCT is starting to curve up along the bottom. Keep an eye on that. TTOO is still hanging out around 27.5 cents. MTTR continuing to make some smooth progress. It's at 7.3. BNGO, yeah, definitely running. Was at 3, is now at 350. Pretty nice smooth run on there. Might be halted. Roblox is up 10% this morning. That might be on earnings. Asana, definitely an entry on Asana. We're getting strong signs of breakout volume this morning on Asana, ASN. So that's a swing trade for $1 of risk. So you can grab a lot of shares on that one if you get in. Asana, swing trade, $1 of risk. Almost all out of money again. I'll have to free up a little bit over here. So we do have some good momentum movers this morning. BNGO, Roblox, RBL. BNGO is out of the halt right now, hitting 373. Roblox, RBLX, top has moved from 12 to 18. TTOO still hanging out and pulling back a little bit at 26.5 cents. MTTR at 735 after opening at 6. DRCT starting to come up, guys. Veru, another one where it's around $14 now. It's at almost $18. The S&P 500 is about to crack over the new high on the day and pre-market highs. There it is, the Dow just making a new high of the day. That's great for the broad market, lifting all tides. Did I get some Asana? No, I did not. Why not? Cannot get the allocation I want. Need to free up more position, and I really like this Asana right here. Maybe this will do it. Oh, perfect. Wow. That's exactly the allocation I can get. Perfect. All right. Out of into Asana. Now TGH. Yeah, putting in quite a strong cup and handle, downtrend line, a bottom reversal. It's got everything. TGH, a growth stock, looking pretty decent. 34, 33.50. Yeah. $1 of risk, TGH. Swing trade, TGH. BNGO's at 417 now after opening at 3. So it's up 33% roughly. Okay, NTGH. Jesus. It's already moving up on us. All right. Next, DYN. I'm already in that, and it's putting in a positive day. That is a breakout moment on, oh, that's Devon. Never mind. Devon Energy coming up and over a pivot on projected very high end of day volume. However, it looks like way too much risk, and it probably will not follow through properly. Let's see. Yeah, that's 16% to stop. for most swing traders. We would put a tighter stop, but yeah, that's not going to produce a good trade. It needs to tighten up somewhere possibly higher. We'll see some better risk reward. Alert on lift. Yeah, that looks like a decent entry on lift. If you're excited about it, LYFT. It's a swing alert. 1875 $1.50 of risk. All right, MTTR with its first pullback. BNGO halted. Roblox at 52.76, up almost 10% on the day. Veru breaking new highs right at the moment. Breaking new highs on Veru, VERU. DRCT looks like it's bottomed. This could be another low risk spot to get in, and if it breaks 325 bottom pivot, then you would exit. But you could start to build a position up down here, knowing that if it does go, you got in at a good price. TTOO is still hanging out around 27.5 cents. The market going generally a bit sideways. I'm glad I'm not in Tesla. And I'm glad I'm out of Amazon. Because that weakness turned into more weakness. But Apple going strong right now, hitting 170.5. Way to go, Apple. Netflix has faded a little bit off that hot open, but remains up well on the day. Roblox hitting 53. Top has pulled back considerably, almost a 50% retrace. Not the greatest. And MTTR is at 734. It's pretty smooth trading on MTTR due to that float. Demand now at 21 million on MTTR is about 10% of the float, and it is up 41% on the day. So that's off balance volume, which shows that there's a psychological change in the price of the stock, even more so than demand, which is because of earnings. There's been a fundamental shift in the price versus a technical shift in the price. Yeah, Mike, of course she is. She'll never learn a lesson if it keeps doing that. What can you do? Maybe she could teach me something. Good for her. Did I get some lift? I think I want some lift. Let's see if I can get the allocation, or if I don't have enough money left. Remember to put your hedges on at the end of today. I mean, if this continues to rally the way it is. Whoa, hang on. Okay, good. I can get my lift allocation. Nice. At $20, yeah. Excellent. I'm glad I'm getting allocated here on these alerts, because some of them are very good. Covenant Logistics with a slight breakout of the trend line. Not really enough for me to get super excited about. I'm gonna have to have it move a little bit more and be on higher volume. We'll get that alert in the future. Wow, beyond up 3.5% from our entry. There's a momentum trade for you. Very nice. This is a pre-entry as well. So it may be breaking out later today or tomorrow over that high of 45. Yeah, just Roku is just continuing from its earnings release. It's only stabilized. It's just price stabilization. It hasn't done any kind of bottom reversal or anything. Yes, jump roping host. Yeah, I'll have to teach that in a class. So try to stay tuned for one of the. I'll discuss that during a class. All right, everything's pretty much flat across the board now in the momentum small cap day trading. However, the market itself, the S&P 500 and the Qs have just made a new high on the day. And that strength is coming from a bit from Amazon, definitely from Apple, but not from Tesla. No, sir. Yeah, I don't know that I'd get QQQ calls here, Gregory. Maybe for a day trade, but okay, so then you have to have no pattern day trading restrictions then. Big beat on AIT. Matador, but I'm not sure that I want to get in that. Yeah. Yeah, it has come off its high more than I wanted, so I'm not going to touch that. CLR, we're starting to cut through the list a little bit here. CLR, no go. TMDX, no. COP, not too bad. ConocoPhillips. Don't think it's going to follow through. Going to raise the alert on that a little higher to 100. Looking for 330 on which? On QQQ. Uh-huh. SP 500 charging ahead. You down with OCP? You mean COP? Are you talking RoboCop now? Was that a RoboCop reference? What's going on here? COP. Did you mistype that? You're OCP. I was making a classic rap reference. Oh, sorry. I don't even know that one. Or maybe I do, but I don't know. My brain's not working right now. HNRG, Naughty by Nature, OPP. I definitely know it. I guess if I heard it. iCup. ICUP. Rebecca pulled a joke out there. That's a pretty good one. She got me because she doesn't joke like that. She waits for it, you know. It's one joke per quarter. She can slip one past the goalie. Good job there. Yes, let's check out ICUP. Yeah, is there anybody ICUP here? Yeah, anybody ICUP? Hey, you bastards. Somebody wants me to take a look at Go EV. No, not quite. You're looking for Barry. Dangle Barry. Very sneaky, sir. Yes, you are. You pull the. You would be dangerous on TikTok, Rebecca, as a wife. You would be dangerous because you'd be one of those little pranker. Once every 2 months, once every 6 weeks, I think is probably your. I think I'm feeling you out here. Is 6 weeks every time you're gonna catch them. AMC chart. Yeah, AMC is an entry. Yeah, I like it. Almost exactly like something else we got in. I forget what it was. Not Lyft. Maybe it was Beyond. Could have been Peloton TGH. Anyway, AMC looking good for entry here. That is a signal for a swing trade. AMC, swing 100 stock. Well, that's how it's been. That's how it looks. What? What did I say? Stop looking into my bathroom window and you won't see me pee. Very funny. 25.76, 23.76, $2 a risk. AMC, swing trade on AMC, swing 100. Just barely qualifying, but putting in some good signs. Do I have anything available for allocation? Yes, I do. Will it be enough? We shall see. Now. Thinkorswim, what do you want from me? Making me sell off more position. It's going to 100K. Yeah, you're now an ape. He was talking about, Andrew Tate was talking about, women don't get with you because you have a what do they call that ape? What is the name of the ape that is that called a dumb ape or something? That guy's so funny. Andrew Tate. It's called a dumb ape or something. Okay, anybody remember what the name of the now famous ape NFT is? Yeah, let me know. Did I get my AMC? I did not. And I'm pissed because it's now 25 cents more. Bored ape, thank you. That's what it is. He's saying, women aren't going to get you because you have a bored ape. It's because they're bragging, like, I got a bored ape. And then he's talking about how, women will get with a man, how it's kind of a misnomer that, women will be just looking for money. They're not looking for money, is what he's saying. They're just looking for enough goddamn money for you to be a functioning, wonderful human being to be with. Fuck. That's what he's talking about. And it doesn't require much. And he says, like, after a certain level of millions or whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. They just want to be able to have a fun life. And you want to have enough money to have a fun life. That's what's important. And they don't care if you have a bored ape. That's not what did it for them. Anyway, that's Andrew Tate. You can go check out Andrew Tate on your own time. That guy is what is the word? Like off the chain? He's insane. Insanely right. He's the new alpha in town. I gotta see this fight. I hope the fight happens. Wow, Plab. With the reversal we've been waiting for. PLAB. Damn, I'm gonna have to sell more positions. I definitely want to get this PLAB. PLAB for $1 of risk, guys. PLAB swing trade. We got some good swing trades shaping up here. $1 risk. You'll notice that I'm alerting this. Most of the time I alert before I get in. You know, that's mostly ethical, you know, when you think about it. So I'm mostly ethical. Every now and then I will probably get myself an allocation on something and then alert it, maybe just because of the way it worked out. But I'm mostly ethical, which is more, I'm not an angel, okay? But which is more than I can say about, you know, any human being. What do they say? He who is without sin cast the first stone. Yes. Go for it. Go ahead. Be my guest. All right, let's see if we can get to PLAB here. Or if I have to sell some more. $1 risk on PLAB. I'll probably have to sell some more. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, quite a bit. Do I want to? Yeah, I guess I should try. Oh, because I have some orders on there. I'm like, I'm just gonna get rid of this whole thing. Oh man, there's just so many orders in there. Hate that. All right, well, just. Oh, yeah, I know. Hate that sound. I would love to replace that sound. I'm a programmer also, so and I have edited machine code on stocks before. Anybody who's a programmer, hopefully I've gained your respect. Yes, I can decode and edit machine code, machine language. Hopefully I gain a little respect for doing that. I have done that in the past to edit applications. Gone in and changed hex. Compiled hex. Okay, PLAB. Do I have enough to get it? Yes, I do. Done deal. Continuing down the list. Let's see what you guys are what's going on in momentum land for you guys. CVNA, Marcus says, Marcus, for what? So I know where to pull it up and take a look at it on which system. CVNA. Isn't that Carvana? Maybe you're talking swing trade then. Yeah, that's definitely a ER. Wow, this is showing signs of a power play in formation. Carvana. Super good on Carvana. About $6 of risk if you want to get in Carvana. I will alert it, but I just don't have the available funds to position that. CVNA, well, fully positioned already. I would love to have just endless, unlimited funds, and I do have more in other accounts and stuff, so I can always go grab those over there. But there you go. That alert is out. Netflix ready to gap up? What are you talking about? It doesn't gap up in the middle of the day, Ryan. Wow, Covenant Logistics now putting in what I was waiting for. I do like this trade. Covenant Logistics, very nice growth stock. CVLG, 33.60 to 31.60, $2 of risk. Covenant Logistics, CVLG, swing trade. High quality one, nice quality trade there. Unfortunately, I'm all tapped out, I think. Let's see. I'll try to get it. Let's see what happens. I know I'm very close to the bottom of the barrel here. Yeah. Oh, it's letting me, and I have like $200 left over. Great. Well, I will get that then. Which one was that? CVLG. And the one before that is Carvana, looking pretty damn good too. I probably should have split it between those two, but that's all right. ON Semiconductor with a strong candle, 68, $66, 10% stop. Yeah, ON Semiconductor, the strongest of all the semiconductors. ON with a cup and handle type breakout. Swing trade on ON. $6 of risk. Is that what I said? But I'd rather you put $3 of risk. Everybody's grilling Biden for saying that he said that there was 0% inflation, but fucking take it easy, guys. That number didn't just come from nowhere. He's not pulling that out of his ass. That came from the month-over-month change. It's not the year-over-year change number, which was, I already forgot what it was now. 8.1. I don't even remember what it was. But he's not super wrong. They just got confused, and that's okay. Come on, nobody's perfect, but guy's not just speaking out of his ass. Like people are being as bad as they are to us. So calm down, everybody. Relax. The old man isn't dead yet. DDS is coming back up. Do I have that? Shit, I do not have that. But what I am seeing right now, you guys, is BNGO breaking over 4.25 high, and now breaking out and running again. And the Qs and SPY and the Dow all rallying. This is becoming a lockout rally. And this looks to be why we got so many signals this morning. It's across the board. Signals, pour your money in. The market's saying, take me. Money, put it in. And it really is happening. We're getting a lockout rally. Very strong day. For it to reverse and break down would be extraordinarily bad, because this is extraordinarily good. So there would be just, a real flip of the script. If anybody's interested in getting HNRG before earnings, it is putting out a entry signal as a growth stock, but I am going to put that in chart trader alerts, not in the swing 100. HNRG pre-ER signal, breakout signal, and how much risk? 7 down to 80 cents of risk. That's a standard chart trader play right there. Pre-ER. Not swing 100 per se, but definitely an interesting trade. It's a multi-day trade, maybe last a couple of days. Government playing Weekend at Bernie's with Joe Biden. I love it. Dude, has anybody done that yet? Made like a, the, hey, but it's Biden's face? I gotta see that. That's just too good. Images. Let's see. They put the whole bunch there. Oh God, Weekend at Biden's. Oh, that's great. Look at that. That is outstanding. And who are the Muppets? Is that like Schumer and everybody? That's hilarious. Yeah, look at that. I love it. Oh, we got to post that to the group. Copy image. It's not a video, but that would be great. It's an image. We have a politics section. I'll go post it in there. Too funny. Boom. All right, you guys. We've been trading the markets for about an hour now. It's a really nice market, but I think I can work just slightly faster and get these alerts out slightly faster if I go grab my breakfast and then start chopping them out to you. Okay? Yeah, you too, Gregory. Later, everybody. Great morning trading with you. Usually we only go 30 minutes. This was an hour and a half roughly. So we're looking good. Watch for a reversal on the day. If the day were to ever go red on any of the markets, not a good sign. Be careful. All right, catch you guys in the group. See you in a bit.